This is your guide to expanding single brackets. When we expand brackets, what we mean is we are going to take whatever is on the outside of the bracket and multiply it by both things inside. The reason why we do this is whenever you see a number next to a letter or next to a bracket, there actually is a multiply sign there, but we don't write this within algebra, mainly to try and keep things as short as possible. So here, the tactic that I normally use is to do it in 2 steps. So 3 times m, we would write that as 3m. We would then need to multiply 3 and 4 together, in this case positive 4, look. So it'd be plus 12. For the next example down, we do the exact same thing. Here, we've now got a number in front of the letter. Doesn't change what we do. We've now got 5 times 2y. Well, 5 times 2 would be 10. So 5 times 2y is 10y. We've then got 5 multiplied by negative 6. Well, positive times a negative gives us minus, and 5 times 6 is 30. So 10y minus 30. In the next example, we've now got a letter on the outside of the bracket. Again, the technique does not change. So here we have got t times t. Now, because we are multiplying the same letter by itself, when you multiply anything by itself, it gives us a squared. So t times t is t squared. We've then got t multiplied by positive 7, so it's plus, and remember the number always comes first when you're multiplying a number and a letter, so it would be 7t. And then for our final example down here, we've got 3n times 4n. Well, 3 times 4 would give us 12, and n times n would give us n squared. So we get 12n squared for the first part, and then 3n multiplied by minus 5, well, positive, times a negative, makes them negative. 3 times 5 is 15, so 3n times 5 must be 15n.